Good morning, dear students. Hope you are ready to begin today's day. Let's begin with our today's topic, art of dance. Yes, I know it is a favorite topic of some of you. And boys, it is not hip-hops or anything. But today we are going to learn about the traditional classical dances, which is the heritage for us, the Indians. So let's begin our topic about dance. The word Nritya has been derived from the original Sanskrit word Nrit. Make a bracket to that. The word Nritya has been derived. It has come from the original Sanskrit word which means Nrit. Underline that. Dance is one of the mediums of realizing beauty with tal and laya, that is rhythm and harmony, for the realization of aesthetic joy. What is the meaning of aesthetic joy? The meaning of aesthetic joy is something that is relating to enjoyment or study of beauty. So, students, dance is one of the mediums of realizing beauty. Beauty of what? Beauty with tal and laya, that is rhythm and harmony, for the realization of aesthetic joy, for the enjoyment. Shiva, the originator of dance, is the Lord of dance. Shiva, underline students, Shiva, the originator of dance, is the Lord of dance. Shiva is therefore also said to be Nataraj. Make a bracket. Shiva is therefore also said to be Nataraj. You can see the picture of dancing Shiva, Nataraja, the god of dance. He was the first to bring down music from the heaven to the earth to teach this art of dance to the people. Students, who is he? The Lord Shiva. He was believed to be the first who brought down the music from heaven to earth to teach this art of dance to the people. India has wide variety of traditional classical dances. You know, students, we are very famous in the classical dances. And which are they? They are like Bharatnatyam over here, Kuchipudi, Kathak, Kathakali, Odissi and Manipuri. You will underline these forms of dances. You may be asked a question, write down, this question could be for 1 mark. And it will be like, write down the traditional classical dances of India, and they will be Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathak, Kathakali, Odissi and Manipuri. Students, let me ask you, which is the Sanskrit word for Nritya? Nrit. Okay. Now, let's go to Bharatnatyam. Let's see about this, the traditional classical dances in detail. Bharatnatyam. The origin of Bharatnatyam is believed to be Tanjore, a district in Tamil Nadu. You will have to make a bracket, underline the word Tanjore, Bharatnatyam as well as Tamil Nadu. Now, where did the origin or where did Bharatnatyam start, student? It started in Tanjore. And where is Tanjore? It is a district in Tamil Nadu. There are 2 books, Natyashastra, and which is written by Bharat Muni, and Abhinav Darpan by Nandikeshwar. There are 2 books which are there, Natyashastra, which is written by Bharat Muni, and Abhinav Darpan, written by Nandikeshwar, which are the original sources of Bharatnatyam. Students, therefore you will have to underline these names of the books, Natyashastra and Abhinav Darpan. You could be asked in the exam the question, Bharat Muni has written the book or in Bharatnatyam, and there will be dash. So which is that book? So the book will be Natya Shastra, which is written by Bharat Muni. Apart from Gopi Krishna and Mrinalini Sarabhai, the actresses like Vaijayanti Mala and Hema Malini, etc., are considered to be the preservers of this heritage. Students, apart from Gopi Krishna and Mrinalini Sarabhai, which are the other actresses? Actresses like Vaijayanti Mala and Hema Malini are known to be the preservers of this heritage. Which heritage? Heritage of art of dance. So this is all about Bharatnatyam. Where did it start? Where is the originator of Bharatnatyam? It is originated in Tanjore, that is a district in Tamil Nadu. And there are two books which have been written by, one is by Bharat Muni and one is by Nandikeshwar. There are different people, that is Gopi Krishna, Mrinalini Sarabhai, Vaijayanti Mala and Hema Malini are known to be the heritage, preservers of heritage. Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi. What is Kuchipudi? Where did it start? This style of dance was created in 15th century. Students, underline 15th century. It started right from 15th century. What is this style? The style of Kuchipudi. It is mostly based on the description of women's beauty. Students, it is mostly about the women's beauty. Different poses and gestures performed by male and female dancers are woven in the foundation of this dance. Different poses and the gestures performed by male as well as female dancers are woven in the foundation of this dance. Which dance? Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi is famous in Andhra Pradesh. Guru Prahlad Sharma, Raja Reddy, Shobha Naidu, etc. are the well-known dancers who have preserved this ancient tradition. So students, Bharatnatyam originated in Tanjore, where there is Kuchipudi is famous in Andhra Pradesh. And when was this style of dance created? It was created in the 15th century. Students, who are the preservers of these dances? Guru Prahlad Sharma, Raja Reddy, Shobha Naidu, etc. well-known dancers who have preserved this ancient tradition. Let's see about Kathakali. This style of dance is very famous in Kerala. Make a bracket, also have underlined this, students. This style, which style, student? Style of Kathakali, famous in Kerala. Make a bracket. The word Kathakali has been derived from the dramas based on ancient epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata and mixed dramas of Sanskrit and Malayalam. Students, Malayalam is the language of the people of Kerala and it is famous. Where it is famous? This Kathakali is famous in Kerala. Now, students, what is the famous of it? Now, the word Kathakali has been derived from the dramas based on ancient epics, that is Ramayana and Mahabharata. Students, we saw yesterday when we started about the fine arts of India, we saw that the entertainment with moral education has been imparted since ancient times through the dramas based on the greatest scriptures like Ramayana and Mahabharata. So, here also we see about the Ramayana and Mahabharata. Underline the students. Which is a mix of Sanskrit and Malayalam. The characters of this art wear beautiful plated attires. Now the characters, what type of clothing, that costume do they have? They have the beautiful plated attires, that is like to join 2 or 3 pieces or the strings or material, putting them over each other. They try to put over each other. That is in plated attire. We have to read their facial expression to recognize the characteristics of this character. Students, what do we have to read? We have to read their facial expression. Underline that facial expression. To recognize what? To recognize the character. What is the character trying to show? There could be different emotions. Facial expressions could be different. There could be anger. There could be the gesture of love, happiness, and so. The crown they put on is very artistic. The crown is very artistic. The character performs his or her dance with facial expressions and poses of hands to introduce the characters of Trilok. They come in front of the curtain with the light of earthen lamp only. Students, underline the character of Trilok. And students, how do they come? They come only with the light of earthen lamp. The lamps in their hand. And you have seen in the school also, when we have sometimes the program, we begin with the prayer dance. And it could be the form of Kathak, sometimes Bharatnatyam. And so, students, they come with the earthen lamp, the lamps in their hand. Poet of Kerala, Sri Vallathod, founded Kamalnandar Kathakali, that is Kalamandalam. Students, poet of Kerala, Sri Vallathod, founded Kalamandal Kathakali, Kalamandalam, Krishna Prasad and Shivaraman, etc. have earned great fame in the nation and worldwide. Students, underline these names. These names also are like Malayali names. Kalamandalam, Krishna Prasad and Shivaraman, etc. have earned great fame in nation and worldwide. In what, students? In Kathakali. So, students, so far we saw the three forms of the classical dance. We saw about Bharatnatyam, and then we went to Kuchipudi, and then came to Kathakali. Now, about these three, you surely know that where is it originated, or which year, in which century it started, who are the famous dancers. Okay, so after studying these three, let's move to Kathak dance. Let's move to Kathak dance. The line Kathan kare so Kathak kahave is related to the Kathak dance. The Kathak dance narrates the life events and incidences of Lord Krishna. Students, I want you to make a bracket. The Kathak dance narrates. What does it narrate? It narrates the life events and incidences of Lord Krishna. We saw earlier about Lord Krishna. We saw earlier also about Lord Krishna. And so, a student, over here, the life events of Lord Krishna, underline that. It is observed that it is developed with Shringara Bhakti. Let's turn the page. So it is developed with, turn the page, student, Shringara Bhakti of Vaishnav community. Students, I want you to underline the word Shringara Bhakti of Vaishnav community and make a bracket. In this style of dance, dancer turns around on one leg and shows references of dance. Dancer turns around on one leg and shows references of dance. Women wear narrow trousers and frill, that is frock attire, that is the clothing, the costume that they wear. This style of dance has been kept alive by, underline student, by Pandit Sri Birju Maharaj, Sitara Devi, Kumudini Lakhiya, etc. You will have to remember these three names, underline these three names, Sri Birju Maharaj, Sitara Devi and Kumudini Lakhiya. Then, let's turn to Manipuri dance. Now, Manipuri dance may not be little clear for you students, but I suppose you have the textbooks. Manipuri dance, the people of Manipur dance on every occasion and festival. North India Northeast Manipuri, that is the Northeast. And so, the people of Manipur, that is the people of Northeast, dance on every occasion and festival. This dance style is chiefly based on Rasa Leela and Bala Leela of Sri Krishna. Underline the word Rasa Leela and Bala Leela of Sri Krishna. Manipuri dance is derived into two types. And which is the two types, students? Lasaya and Tandav. Underline that. The plaited green colored petticoat is known as kumin, and at the same time silk blouse and a belt are put on around the waist. Students, look here, what type of clothing they wear or what type of costume they have. The plaited green color petticoat is known as kumin. Underline the word kumin. And at the same time silk blouse and a belt are put on around the waist. Guru Amobini, Atamob Singh, Guru Vipin Sinha, Naina Jhaveri, Nirmal Mehta, etc. have gained worldwide fame. Make a bracket to these names. Guru Amobini Singh, Atomo Singh, Guru Vipin Sinha, Naina Jhaveri, Nirmal Mehta, etc. have gained worldwide fame. In what, student? They have gained the fame in Manipuri dance. So, students, as I was telling you, we saw the different forms of dance, right from Bharatnatyam, Kuchipuli, Kathakali, Kathak and Manipuri dance. Now, I am going to ask you the questions. I will be sending you the questions, short questions. Today we are going to stop here and tomorrow we will be starting the new topic, that is the dramatic art. But I want you to answer these questions which I will be sending it to you. Students, we have decided, Sister Vinny was telling that we will be calling every day 10 to 15 students to check their homework of all the subjects that we have been giving online classes. And therefore, I want to request you that please complete your books so that when you are called, you have your homework day and the date wise. If you have any doubt, please do inform me, students. I am going to stop with the different traditional classical dances of India. We will stop here. Have a good day, students.